Coming up with another update. Daily vlog. As always, I'm always here every morning at the Gold Gym. Except this time, I'm coming out with the Insta360 One X2. The majority of the videos that you've seen behind the previous dates has always been with the Insta360 Go 2. Now this is going to be with the Insta360 One X2. I'm gonna try to take as much video as I can, but also I'm gonna try to make a 360 one. Now I know 360 takes a long time when you're uploading to YouTube, so I'm gonna keep the 360 part as short as possible, but leave the rest to reframing this video. So today is Thursday, July the 22nd. It's 2 days away from my girlfriend's birthday, which is the 24th. But that'll be another video in the future. For now, I'm going to go ahead and just shut this down because I'm inside the sauna and I am sweating as hell, but it's super hot right now. And just as much as it is that these cameras like to get hot when it's transmitting a video, it's probably already super hot right now. And I'm going to need for it to cool down. In about another 5 more minutes, I'm going to get out of here and head over to the swimming pool, start doing my laps. And then maybe just get into the jacuzzi. So we'll see you out there in just a bit. Good morning. How's everybody on YouTube doing? Dave here. We just got out of the sauna and we went into the pool. Right now we don't have any other people swimming, so this is nice because sometimes people get uncomfortable when they see a camera. I don't know, they're afraid of cameras or something. But I'm gonna take a couple of laps. I'm using the wrong word. I'm gonna take a couple of laps in the swimming pool here just to get warmed up. This is the Insta360 One X2, and we are on a 1440 megapixels. So we got plenty of battery here, and we are using the waterproof one, which means that I want to double check that I might end up putting the swimming pool in. I might end up putting the camera inside the swimming pool. I want to double check that the battery is secure, and it is secure, and I'm recording it just to make everyone aware. I'm gonna go ahead and just do 1 or 2 laps real quick, and then I'm gonna switch modes. I want to see, because I've noticed that on the Insta360 Go 2, when you want to do slow-mo, it only stays at a certain level of screen space. It's not the rectangular. It's the one that goes up and down. What is it, the 1.1? It's not the 16.9. And I know 16.9 does work on the X2. So for now, I'm just gonna take a few swim here.